September 30th, Orange Shirt Day, we focus on truth and reconciliation, and we know that this is not just one day.
We had an Orange Shirt Day assembly with some videos of what Orange Shirt Day is and what respect means. And then after that assembly, we had a Orange Shirt Day walk around this track here.
A commitment to understanding the experiences and hearing the voices of the Indigenous peoples of Canada is embedded throughout our school year.
It was a really eye-opening experience. It showed awareness to Métis people and how they felt like they haven't been included with history.
In all of our classrooms, we've been talking a lot about truth and reconciliation, and the kids have really shown a passion for learning about the past and understanding at a grade appropriate level what happened to our Indigenous Canadians at residential schools.
On June 21st, we celebrate National Indigenous Peoples Day as well. Knowing and understanding that every child matters is how we commit to ensuring that history does not repeat itself.